again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Have I got a sweet treat for you today? So I've bought this from Kiki London. This is their brand new collection, spring collection. It's a collection of 8. I'm going to give them a quick swatch today. So this is their Macaron'S collection. Guys, these are so cute. I haven't got anything at all in my collection like these. Right, so this is their Macaron'S collection. They're in the 7.3ml bottles. There's ingredients if anybody wants to screenshot them. So these are vegan and cruelty-free gel. Guys, look at these. What's this one called? Mint Lolly, and they've all got sweet names as well. They have got the cutest, really, really subtle little sprinkle. Can you see the little, they're like black or dark grey. Teeny tiny little speckles. Yeah, I don't have anything like this. I've got gels that have got like mylar flakies in, chunky bits of mylar, but nothing like these. I'm going to give these a quick swatch anyway. But look at them, here's a pink one. Oh wow, these are so cute, aren't they? I love these. Right, yes, so these are a collection of 8. They're on pre-sale now, guys, so if you want them, get them now. Pre-sale ends on the 6th of April, so they will go up to full price on the 6th of April. I have got a 10% discount code. It's Aggie. Just Aggie. It'll all be in my description box anyway. So, shall we give them a quick swatch? Shall we have a look at the names first? So we've got, they have got numbers, but they've got names as well. Look, Cookies and Cream, Marshmallow Delight, Lush Lavender, Sweet Lime, Peach Puff, Blueberry Whisk, and Strawberry Smoothie, and last but not least, Mint Lolly. This one reminds me of chocolate chip flavour ice cream. Right, yeah, I'm not going to do them in any particular order. I'm just going to start from this side. So this one is Cookies and Cream. I like that they've included this one because you could use this as a base colour and then do all cute little designs with the actual colours. Some of them are pale pastel, some of them are a bit brighter as well. So you could use these all the way through spring and summer, I think. I do like that they've included this Cookies and Cream though, because this is just a perfect base colour. Oh, these are so creamy and opaque. I would do 2 thin coats, but look at that for 1 coat. I like all them little speckles are all evenly spread out as well. I didn't have to piss about with that at all. That's nice. So these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. I will give them a second coat off camera. So this one, Marshmallow Delight. Right, so this is, there's a couple of pinks. I think this is the paler pink. Really nice pastel pink. These paint on so nice. Look at that, guys. No effort whatsoever. They're just so smooth. Quite a thin consistency, I like that. Again, they're all spread out beautifully. I love these. Yeah, I've wanted some of these for ages. I didn't just want to buy 1 or 2 though, I wanted a full collection. Lush Lavender. I'm getting Easter vibes for sure. Easter egg, mini eggs. Yeah, I'm excited to see what I can come up with using these. Got to be something cute, hasn't it? That's quite a pale colour. I like it though. Nice pale lavender colour. Cute. Then we've got Sweet Lime. So yeah, there's a couple of shades of green. This is like a pale lime one. This is a really unique colour. It's like a limey. Yeah, it's got a slight yellow tint to it as well, hasn't it? Look how thin these coats are. Really, really thin coats. These are super opaque. I like them a lot. Yeah, that's like a yellowy, lime greeny kind of colour. Right, then we've got Peach Puff. This is a nice colour. This would go nice with the greens. This is quite a bright one as well. I like it. Yeah, some of them are quite pale pastels. but there's some bright ones in there as well. This is quite a bright one. Colours like this peach go really well with minty greens, don't they? Nice. And then we've got a nice blue, blueberry whisk. Oh, this is a perfect little baby blue, isn't it? Oh, these are really cute. Nice to have in your collection, isn't it? Something different that you don't see that often. I mean, you see them a lot when it comes to this time of year, Easter. But yeah, something I'm happy to have in my collection now. Right, then we've got another pink strawberry smoothie. So this one's a little bit brighter than that first one. Yeah, this is more of I wouldn't say a Barbie pink, but it's definitely a brighter pastel pink, isn't it? Oh, this is nice as well. That's so cute. Look at these guys. Right, and last we have got mint lolly. Yeah, this just makes me want to have some mint chocolate chip ice cream or a mint chocolate chip cornetto. I love a cornetto. A mint one. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Right, guys, I'm going to give these a quick second coat. I've got something else to show you today as well. Give these a quick second coat and I'll be back. Right, guys, that is them all swatched. I love them. I just love them. Every single one of them. I really like that it's got this base colour and a pale pink and a brighter pink. And then it's got like a really light yellowy kind of green and then a brighter green. A bluey purpley. I'd say it's more of a blue and a lilac. Yeah, a little bit of everything in there, isn't there? And that sprinkle is so subtle. Do you know, with the second coat as well, it kind of gives them depth. Because you can see the speckles in the first coat really, really faintly. Just looks like an eggshell. I really, really like them. I like all of them. Every single one of them. I think it's a really nice mix of colours, isn't it? I really, really like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, don't forget, guys, these are on pre-sale. They will go full price on the 6th of April. So quickly, I've just got 3 little other things to show you. These are Kiki London's rubber base. These are huge bottles, 15ml. There's the ingredients if anybody wants to see. Can you see? Has it got it? So I'm going to give these a quick swatch. So I've got 2 very similar colours. You'll see them better when they're swatched. And look at this shimmery one. I really wanted this one because I wanted this to go over pinks and stuff, you know, just to add a shimmer. Oh wow, look at this. Yeah, rubber bases are brilliant. If you just want to add a little bit of strength to your natural nail with a little bit of colour. Yeah, I love rubber bases. They're really good for using in the Gel X method. Right, so first I've got 04. They don't have names, these rubber bases. They've just got numbers. Rubber bases have just really took off this year, haven't they? Kiki London's got a nice selection of colours as well. Not sure how many they've got. I'll leave a picture up on the screen. Oh, these are nice. Right, so they are sheer, but they're not too sheer. Some rubber bases are super duper sheer, aren't they? And again, I think that's personal preference. These are a bit more opaque than some of the other rubber bases I've got. These are nice. I do like these. Oh wow. Yeah, that's just one coat. It's quite opaque. A little bit of transparency to it. And what I like about rubber bases as well, they give you that kind of acrylic / hard gel kind of look because of that little bit of transparency, don't they? I like it. So I think these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, yeah. LED 30 seconds, but if you've got a UV lamp, you'll need to give it a double cure. So I'm just going to stick that in the lamp. I will give these a second coat as well, just to show you what they look like after 1 and 2 coats. So this one is 06. Yeah, I really like these. So these look the same on the lid, but on the swatch sticks you can see this one's a lot lighter. I think this one's a little bit sheerer as well. I think. We'll look at them side by side in a minute. Yeah, rubber bases just really took off this year, didn't they? They're so versatile though, aren't they? Oh, these are nice ones. These are nice ones. So I'm going to stick that in a lamp for 30 seconds. And then I've saved my favourite till last. So this looks like it's got a little, maybe a little bit of hollow in there, I think. We'll have a look in a minute once I've swatched it. Yeah, so you could do a layer of one of these and then the shimmer layer over the top. Instead of doing 2 coats of the first one, you could do 1 coat of each, couldn't you? Because this is quite transparent as well. You could put this over a bright pink to make it pop, or just add a bit of sparkle and strength to your natural nail. Oh, this is pretty. This is one thing I don't have a lot of. You know, just really sheer sparkles like this that you can put over any colour. I like that. Yeah, it is very sheer. I like it. Right, let's get these top coated and then we'll have a look at them side by side. And then we'll have a look at them with a second coat as well. Right, so that's what they look like after 1 coat. Quite sheer. I do like these rubber bases though, for base colours. I like that transparency that they've got. I really, really do. Right, I'm going to give them a second coat and show you what they look like after a second coat. Right, so that's the rubber bases after 2 coats. They're really creamy and opaque, but they've still got that slight transparency. I really like these. I will probably use these so much just as base colours because they're so pretty. And this one I would probably put it over the top of pinks just to give them a shimmer. They're beautiful, beautiful base colours, aren't they? They really, really are. Ooh, I like them a lot. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Some beautiful, beautiful, really nice quality gels there. I'm really happy with all of them. So keep your eye out this week. Possibly tomorrow I'm going to do something with these. I'm really excited to do something with these. I don't know whether to do spring flower type design or Easter. I'm just getting Easter vibes all over them. Something cute though, isn't it? It's got to be something cute. Definitely. So keep your eye out for that. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.